Today topic I am going to explain quadratic equation exercise 10.2 first question. We should find the root of the quadratic equation by factorization method. So here find the root means we should find the value of x. So to find the value of x there are three methods. One is factorization method, second one is formula method, and third one is completing square method. So here for this question we will be finding the value of x by using factorization method. So how to find out the value of x by factorization method means first arrange in order. It should be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So x square should be in the first term, x should be the second term, and the constant should be the third term. So first check it whether it is in order. For this given question it is given in order. So first what is the coefficient of x square? X square coefficient is nothing here, means it is represented as 1. So 1 into this x square coefficient and the constant you should multiply along with the sign. So plus into minus, minus 1 into 10, it is nothing but 10. So for 10 you should find the factors. That means if you multiply the two numbers you should get minus 10. If you add or subtract you should get minus 3 as the answer. So let me find out the factor of 10. For factor of 10, 1 tens are 10, then 2 fives are 10. These are the two numbers we will be using to get the answer as 10. So let me take 2 into 5, because y means if you add or subtract you should get 3 as the answer. So this is impossible. 1 and 10 if you add or subtract you won't get 3 as the answer. Only 2 and 5 if you subtract you will get 3 as the answer. So 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. Now here you should be very careful to put the sign. See here minus 3. That means while subtracting the number, the greater number should be minus. Then only you will get minus 3. Suppose if you put minus 2 here, this is a positive number. If you subtract, this will become positive 3. But in the given question, it is negative 3. So the greater number should be negative. Is it clear, children? Now see, once again check it. Plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10. That means if you multiply you should get minus 10 as the answer. If you simplify, that is add or subtract, here you are going to subtract because this is positive 2, this is negative 5. If you subtract the number and put the greater numbers on, so the answer will be minus 3. See here, you are having the same number. That means these two are the factor we should consider. So how to do it? First write the first term as it is. Instead of this 3x, we should write 2x minus 5x. So, plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. These two terms as it is. Only instead of minus 3x, you should write 2x minus 5x is equal to 0. Is it clear, children? Now, in this first two terms, which term is common? X is common. So, take x outside. So x square means x into x. Already one x I had took outside. So one more x inside the bracket. So x into x, x square. Plus in this 2x I had taken x outside. So what is left over? 2. Is it clear, children? Whatever the bracket you have written, same thing you should repeat here. X plus 2. Now see the next two terms. Minus 5x I need. But here only x is there. So multiply with minus 5. Minus 5 into x, you will get minus 5x. Minus into plus, it is negative. 5 2s are 10. Is it clear? That means if you multiply, you should get the previous step. Now, here x plus 2. This is considered as one term. This is considered as the second term. In two terms, which is common? X plus 2 is common. So take it outside. So what is left over? This x and minus 5 is left over. So x minus 5. Is it clear, children? Now x plus 2 is equal to 0. Take first bracket, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to positive 2. When you take towards the right hand side, it will be negative 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Same way, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now bring this minus 5 toward the right hand side. Negative 5 will changes into positive 5. So this will become 5. As I said already, for quadratic equation, how many solution will be there? 2 solution. That means 2 values we will be having. Because x square, if it is a quadratic equation, you will get 2x value. That's why these are the 2 answers. This is nothing but the root of the quadratic equation. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to plus 5. These 2 are the answer. Is it clear, children? Next, third question. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So here, how to simplify? Same way. First check whether it is in order. X square should be first. Next term should be x. Then the last term should be the constant. So as per the given, it is in the order. So now multiply the x square coefficient and the constant. So 2 into, let me do the calculation here. Root 2 into 5 root 2. As I said before, first multiply root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into 2 is nothing but 2 into 5. That is nothing but 10. Is it clear? So now 10 is the number for which we should find the factor. So again, 1 tens are 10, 2 5s are 10. So here, if you multiply, you should get 10. If you add or subtract, you should get 7 as the answer. So which is possible? 2 and 5 are the possible factors. So 2, 5 are the possible. All are positive number. So nothing to worry. All will be the positive number. Is it clear, children? Now write down first term as it is, root 2x square. Instead of this 7x, I should write 2x plus 5x. 2x plus 5x. Then the constant as it is. 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Is it clear, children? Now one more step, because here root 2 is there, root is there. So one more extra step here we should follow. Convert this root 2 in terms of root 2 into root 2. So write the first term as it is plus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Correct? Then this x as it is. Root 2x square plus, instead of this 2, write root 2 into root 2, because root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So root 2 into root 2 x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Next step, see here, see the first 2 terms, which is common? Root 2x is common. So take it outside. So what is left over? One more x is left over for the first term. Next sign is positive sign. Root 2x is outside. So what is left over? Root 2. Close the bracket. Now repeat the same bracket. X plus root 2. Now I need 5x, but x is here. So multiply by 5 is equal to 0. Now x plus root 2 is common in both the terms. So take it outside. What is left over? Root 2x plus 5. These two will be in one bracket is equal to 0. Now take the first one, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to, positive number will become negative number when it comes from left hand side to right hand side. So it will be negative root 2. This is one of the root, and root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to negative 5. Bring that 5. Always keep it in your mind. Only x term should be in the right hand side. One by one, other term bring it toward the right hand side. So x is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. This is another root. So therefore, Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equations are x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. This is the answer.